When you become successful, you find as you're walking by, suddenly you find three shadows coming alongside. First shadow is called overconfidence. I'm cool, man. I won yesterday, I can win today. There's another shadow that will slowly appear that's called complacence. I can do it anytime. Even if you choose to walk with those two, you're okay. There will be a third shadow that will come up and that will engulf you and strangle you. And that's called ego. Because you become very good at something, you start to become you're very good at everything. And your ego comes in the way of learning and you start to preach. Like I did a little bit today. Instead of talking to people, you start addressing them. They come to talk to you, but you say, hang on, you're talking to me or you're giving me a speech, man? Because I know it all.